Ajinkya Rahane and Rahul Tripathi gave Pune a good start by putting on 63 for the first wicket. Once the openers were dismissed, Stephen Smith and MS Dhoni took Pune to 127 before falling off consecutive balls. Manoj Tiwary lifted the total towards the end, scoring 27 in 11 balls before being dismissed off the last delivery. After Mandeep Singh fell for a duck, Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers kept the chase on track. Wickets started falling in a heap on a sluggish track though, as the chase went off the rails. Shardul Thakur finished with 3 wickets and the Bangalore chase finished well short.